This is a capture race challenge for black. The most intuitive move by now on this playlist should be right here. Right? Other moves will fail because white can just stand down here, and this will be 4 liberties versus 4, and white should be able to win very easily. So this move can guarantee black's success. If white plays something like this, then we're back to this standing down, sacrificing 2 stones, throwing in, and if white connects here, white will fail because this is 4 liberties on 3. But of course you can say white can escape, but for the purpose of this problem, number 13 is a success. If white plays something like this, then black can connect. White does not get a bend because black can cut here. So white will have to capture number 1 this way, but black can stand down. Always a good move. White has to capture, otherwise this way there will be 5 liberties versus 3. So white must capture, and now black can simply play from this side. And this is, again, essentially a 5 liberties versus 3, or in this case it's 4 versus 4, and black will be able to win very easily. So this is the correct sequence if white plays at number 2. Of course, if white wants to minimize black's damage, white can simply play something like this and allow black to connect. Of course, these are not all the variations that this problem entails, so please feel free to try out some of the other variations on your own, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.